Hi, so welcome again to another episode at JVLOGS. This is a mini clip that I'll be looking at teenage pregnancy, some of the ways that you can prevent getting pregnant as a teen, and also some of the things that you need to look out for while having sex as a teen. Some of the STDs, HIV, all those stuff. So, what is the best way to prevent getting pregnant as a teen? For me, the best way is abstinence, not having sex at all as a teen. Although many teens are having sex nowadays, that is still a problem. So I'll be looking at ways that you can prevent yourself from getting pregnant and also prevent catching a STD or HIV. So abstinence is the first thing. Just don't have sex at all. That's the best way to go. If you can wait, you wait. If you are already sexually active, try to stop or protect yourself. One of the ways you can protect yourself is by using a condom. Let your partner use a condom, or you, the female, use a condom. You have a condom for female that is called a femidom. You insert that femidom inside the vagina and it basically expand, so it's like a barrier, and it prevents any semen from going to the ovaries. The next thing that you can do is go on birth control. I know a lot of females don't like birth control because it bloat them up and stuff like that, but you can actually try birth control along with a condom. Just keep in mind that if you're on birth control, it doesn't mean that it prevents you from catching an STD or HIV. It only prevents you from getting pregnant, prevents you from getting a baby. So keep in mind that birth control don't stop HIV or STDs. So go on birth control or use a condom or use both. So if you're not on birth control, use a condom. If you're not using a condom, don't have sex. Literally, if you're not using a condom, no sex at all. Alright, protect yourself. It is very important that you, the female, take it upon yourself to protect yourself. Pretty much. Don't rely on a guy or your partner to use a condom. If he doesn't want to use a condom, don't have sex. Try to educate yourself on that and just protect yourself at all times. So I hope this goes a far way, and I hope this helps you to pretty much, protect yourself. All the females, protect yourself. Well, thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and share down there. Leave a comment below as well. Tell me if you like the video. Give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down if you don't like it. So thanks for watching again. JVLOGS, I'm out.